Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Realtor.com to find cheap houses. If you're trying to find cheap houses, most people make the same mistake. They just browse listings randomly without using filters properly. But platforms like Realtor.com actually have powerful tools that let you narrow down properties based on price reductions, budget range, and location. The key is knowing exactly how to use those filters strategically. Start by opening Realtor.com. Make sure you're on the home page. At the top of the page, click on the Buy option. This will open property-related options. Click on Homes for Sale. Now listings will begin to load based on your location or search area. Look for the Filters button. Click on it. A panel will open usually from the side. Under More Price Options, turn on Price Reduced. Clarification. These are properties where sellers have already lowered the price, and this increases your chances of finding deals. At the top of the filter panel, you'll see price options. Start with minimum $10,000 and maximum $20,000. You can also edit other filter options depending on your interest of houses. Now click View Homes. You'll see results based on your filters. Important insight. At a very low price, most of what you'll see is land, not actual houses. This is normal. To find actual houses, increase your budget slightly. Try the lowest possible price range until actual houses appear for that area. For example, a minimum of $70,000 and a maximum of $90,000. Now you'll start seeing small homes, fixer-uppers, and budget properties. Clarification. These are often the cheapest houses available, and some may require repairs. Factor that into your decision. Using Realtor.com the right way helps you move from random browsing to strategic searching. To summarize, finding cheap houses on Realtor.com involves going to the Buy section, selecting Homes for Sale, opening filters, setting a low price range, enabling Price Reduced, and adjusting your budget until you start seeing actual homes instead of land. This helps you find the best deals available. And that's how to use Realtor.com to find cheap houses. The difference between people who find deals and those who don't usually comes down to how they search. Play around with the filters, test different ranges, and you'll start spotting patterns in the market. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.